Hello, this is the video for the week 4 assignment in the Raspberry Pi platform course. In this video I will be demonstrating control of an LED using a push button and a Raspberry Pi module. First I'll show the schematic of the circuit. We have an LED here controlled from pin 13 of the Raspberry Pi connected to the anode of the LED. Cathode LED is wired to ground through a 330 ohm resistor to limit the current through the LED. The other section of the circuit is a push button switch connected to pin 22 of the Raspberry Pi, and that will be used to enable or disable the blinking of the LED. Next we'll show over to the wiring of the circuit. And you'll see here we have the LED connected to the Raspberry Pi through the yellow line. Here's what's connected. So from the anode to the cathode through the series resistor to ground, which is the black wire, also connected up to the Raspberry Pi. The other half of the circuit is the push button switch. So we have the push button switch here, connected from red to the Raspberry Pi, and again black is ground up to the Raspberry Pi as well. Not shown here is the pull-up resistor internal to the microcontroller on the Raspberry Pi, such that the default state of the push button switch is to be pulled high. So here there's no code running. You can see that the LED is not blinking, so we'll just quickly go up to the Raspberry Pi and click over into the terminal window and run the command to run the Raspberry Pi code. And we'll switch back over and you'll see that the LED in its default state, where the push button is not pressed, blinks. I currently have it set up to blink every 1 second. Next we'll show pressing of the button. So there, when the button is pressed, the LED is on continuously, and then release the button and it switches back to blinking at the 1 second rate. Thank you.